Google reportedly going to keep employees working remotely until July 2021. We're in 2020 right now, Will. July 2021.
Yeah, that's a long time.
That's a while. So apparently Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai reportedly made the decision last week. Plans to keep 200,000 full-time and contract employees working remotely until at least July 2021. Now, they did say at one point they're going to open up some of their offices in a limited or optional fashion, but 200,000 people staying home is a pretty big number. That's a lot of real estate that you would have had for those 200,000 people. Coming back to the thing about commercial real estate and how who even knows what's going to happen. How many years can this stuff be vacant? And will people ever flock to the large open office the way that they did in the past? Will it happen ever again? Google had previously announced plans to reopen some offices for a limited number of employees starting July 6th, but then made the return to physical offices optional. And part of the reason for putting a time frame on it has to do with not having clear word from the education in different places, whether or not it's going to be back. The different boards of education have a different opinion on what they're going to do. Mm-hmm. And so families are trying to figure out, okay, am I home? What's the kids going to do? What am I going to do? And for how long? And so that's part of the reason for putting the timeline and an actual guideline on it. But you can imagine things about to get crazy. 200,000 employees, other companies likely to follow suit. And then if school doesn't come back, it's pretty wild, pretty chaotic at these at the houses. I can speak from experience, although we haven't been impacted here at work all that much. But we were for a month. You were gone for a month. Maybe you don't even remember at this point. In the early days, we were keeping it real low key.
Yeah.
Early days, early lockdown.
So long ago.